History is full of women and men who braved the elements, explored distant horizons, and pushed the borders of understanding. Things didn't always go smoothly. Stuff broke, people got stumped, and some stopped. Are you stumped? Plain stopped? Spending hours on redesign and getting nowhere? Can't get your design to work when migrating from UVM-1X to UVM-IEEE? Do you have questions like, which UVM-IEEE library should I use? How can I prepare my test bench for migration? What will break when I migrate to UVM-IEEE? Don't give up. Migration to UVM-IEEE is relatively easy. Just watch the brand new video, Top 5 Things That Break in UVM-IEEE and How to Fix Them, and save hours and nerves, so you can push on to that distant horizon and push the borders of understanding.